Okay, picture this. You just hit file on your taxes. And 3 months later, the IRS sends you a letter. You open it thinking it's a refund. And bam! It's a penalty. A big one. You're now paying hundreds, maybe thousands, for a mistake you didn't even know you made. Not fun, right? Hi, welcome back to Tax and Treasury, your YouTube pit stop for smarter money moves and fewer tax disasters. Today, I'm walking you through the top 5 tax mistakes that could seriously cost you big time. And let's be real, taxes are one of those things that make even smart people feel like they just walked into a calculus exam they didn't study for. So if you're self-employed, side hustling, or just trying not to get wrecked by tax season, stick around because we're about to save you a ton of money, and maybe your sanity, too. Let's dive in, before the IRS decides to. Alright, kicking things off with mistake number 5. Ignoring estimated taxes. If you're self-employed, a gig worker, or you have significant income not subject to withholding. Yes, I'm looking at you. Etsy millionaires and crypto cowboys. You need to be paying quarterly estimated taxes. It's called estimated tax, but don't let the name fool you. If you forget, the IRS won't estimate your penalty. They'll calculate it, send it, and smile. Because if there's one thing they love more than spreadsheets, it's penalties. Quick tip. Use Form 1040-ES to calculate what you owe quarterly. Or use an app that does it for you. Because nothing says adulting like paying taxes 4 times a year. Moving on to mistake number 4. Not reporting all your income. Look, we all love a little side hustle. Selling on eBay, freelance work, babysitting your neighbor's cat, you name it. But guess what? The IRS wants a piece of all of it. Yes, even that $500 you made flipping sneakers. If there's a 1099 form with your name on it, the IRS gets a copy too. Thinking, they'll never find out. Trust me, they will. It's like trying to hide a slice of cake from your roommate. They'll sniff it out eventually. And don't think just because you got paid in crypto, it's invisible. That blockchain is more traceable than your drunk texts. Coming in hot at number 3. Missing out on deductions. This one hurts the most because it's basically leaving free money on the table. So many people miss out on deductions like home office expenses, business mileage, student loan interest, self-employed health insurance, and yes, even your tax prep fees. If you're self-employed and using your couch as an office, with your dog as middle management, you might qualify for the home office deduction. Just remember, a deduction isn't a free ride. You've got to prove it. So keep receipts. Don't just toss them in your glove box with expired Taco Bell coupons. Counting down to number 2 mistake. Filing late or not at all. Now listen. Taxes are scary, but ghosting the IRS is not the move. Here's the thing. If you file late, the IRS doesn't send a gentle reminder. They hit you with penalties for not filing, which is 5% per month on your unpaid taxes. That's up to 25% max. Compare that to the 0.5% penalty per month for not paying. It's like choosing between a slap on the wrist and a roundhouse kick to the face. File for an extension if you need more time. But remember, that's only an extension to file, not an extension to pay. And finally, the number 1 tax mistake that can really cost you. Not getting professional help when you need it. Look, taxes can be complicated. Especially if you're running a business, dealing with investments, rental properties, or you inherited a comic book collection worth 6 figures, who knows? This is where hiring a CPA or enrolled agent is worth every penny. It's like hiring a tour guide in a jungle full of tax code and angry audit monkeys. Plus, a pro might find deductions you never thought of, help you avoid mistakes and translate IRS speak into English. This will save you hours of stress and confusion. And let's be honest, decoding IRS forms feels like trying to assemble IKEA furniture blindfolded. So there you have it. The top 5 tax mistakes that could cost you big time. Let's recap real quick. 5. Ignoring estimated taxes. 4. Not reporting all income. 3. Missing deductions. 2. Filing late or not at all. 1. Not getting professional help. Avoid these, and you're already ahead of half the country come tax season. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Tax and Treasury, and hit the bell so you never miss a money-saving episode. Unless you like surprises from the IRS. Drop a comment below with the worst tax mistake you, or someone you know, has made. We won't judge much. Until next time, keep your receipts, file on time, and may your refunds be large and your audits non-existent.